Hello class.
Eric.
Today we are going to ride a train.
Oh no.
Oh no is right.
Oh no is wrong. Let's go. Here we are. I am going to the shop to buy some Pringles.
Hey Caillou, let's do a quick rant.
I've always wanted to rent. Trains, more like lames.
I hate trains because a train killed my family.
I also hate trains because they smoke. Smoking is bad for you.
Do you know who likes trains? Joe. Joe likes trains because trains are cool.
And do you know who hates trains? Bob. He hates trains because a train went to his house without permission.
So screw trains.
And screw trains too.
Trains 3 is 1 billion trillion zillion times better than trains. End of rant.
No rants allowed in class. Now let's get on the train.
Here are the seats.
No.
Here are the seats.
No. More empty seats.
Sorry, there are no more seats left.
Eric.
We want seats.
Sorry, no more seats because you rant on trains.
But wait, we're supposed to be the dicks, not you.
Oh yeah, that's a fair point.
Yay.
This is your captain speaking. The train is about to crash. Please exit immediately or you will die in a horrible crash.
Free Wi-Fi.
Let's hack the train. Let's go to Chuck and Cheese and Cream.
What? Encrypted.
I have a better idea.
What is it?
Let's call Alvin Hung Poor.
Alvin Hung is poor.
Oh no. You can call Alvin Hung Poor in your spare time. This is school time.
Rosy, I just had the weirdest dream.
What is it?
We called Alvin Hung Poor and got told off.
Oh no.
This is school time, not bedtime. Stay awake please.
Eric.
Damn, Eric just roasted us.
Rosy.
Don't you start.
We are now stopping at Chuck and Cheese and Cream. Do not call me fat when I come back.
I want Chuck and Cheese and Cream.
I want Subway.
Eric.
Actually I agree with Eric.
Let's do something a bit silly.
We will cut the power.
Are you power?
Yes. Oh no. The power is out.
Eric.
Oh no, the power is out.
What happened?
Someone cut power?
Wait a minute, I know who did it. It was me.
Actually it was me and Caillou.
We cut power because we're so tired.
Did I tell you not to cut power?
No.
Oh, my mistake.
Everyone makes mistakes.
And you just made one by cutting power.
Oh no.
I am calling your parents Caillou, and I am calling Amy Rosy.
Are you ready?
For one.
I am going to eat you. Nom 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 nom. What a nice snack. Nom 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 nom.
Yay, we're home.
You're grounded.